Hello students, in this session we will discuss about mv command, that is move command. It moves the file and directories from one directory or renames a file or directories. It is act like a cut and paste. It simply renames a file or a directory uh, and the contents will be the same in the directory or a file. If you move a file or directory to a new directory, it remains the base file name. So we'll see one example on it. So first we need to see the files and directories present in your directory. So ls command, with the ls command, help of this ls command, you can see all the files here. So I'm using as an example capital file, capital.txt file here for the example of mv command. So it need to present in your folder. If it is not present, so you can create it new file, then you can use it for a move command. With the help of cat command, you can create the new file. So see, what I'm doing here, mv command, then you need to use your source file. So first we need to see in capital file what is the data is present or the any text is present or no. So we'll see that first. Cat, then capital. Capital is our file. Then txt is our extension. So this is present. Okay, our capital file is not empty, so we can use it for a mv command. So move, then our source file is capital, that is present in our folder. .txt is there, so give that. Don't get confused, because we need to use here as it is the names are present and the spelling of that file should be same. So space and then destination file, whatever name you can give here, it is makes not different. Sample I'm using here, only the sample file as my new name for this file, sample .txt. So see, with the help of ls command, check it is replaced or no. So see here, the capital is removed from this folder and the new file is this sample.txt we got. So we need to see contents of the file matches with that capital file or no. So cat, then sample.txt, the enter. See here, as you have seen here, Itanagar, then Disapur, Patna, and then Raipur. It is present in this file also. So it is moved. But the earlier file is removed from your directory. Capital file is not there. It is like a cp command, but the major difference is cp command will copy your file, while the mv one will move them. So the difference is that cp command will keep the old file, while mv command is don't. Means a cp command, it makes two files with the same content, but here the mv command removes the first file and it creates the new file. So it is only the renaming of file. I hope you understood this mv command. And the next is, that is option I, mv command and option I. So use your -I, then your sample is our file txt, then you can use your any of this file name, So I am using a state.txt. The hyphen I, it indicates as interactive option, that is makes the command ask the user for confirmation before removing a file that would overwrite on a existing file. So you have to press here Y for a confirm moving. So any other key leaves the file as it is. If you don't want to copy in the state file, then you can use any other keys. If you want to copy this, you can say S. For that, you need to press the Y. So the option doesn't work if the file doesn't exist. It simply renames it for a new. We'll see what is the difference. So I'm using here. The state file should be present. In earlier that this thing, we are not used here the present file. It is not presented first, or used here different name for the file, but here the state file is present in your directory. So if it is doesn't work, it means the file is not present in your directory. Enter. Then see here what is the message. Overwrite state txt. It is asking you this confirmation. So if you pressed any other key, it will come out of this. But once again we'll do that. It is not. It will not copy to state.txt file or move to this state file. So we'll see again. So it is showing. Before that, we'll see it is copied or no for you people. So just write your cat, then sample txt. It is the content is like this. So the state file is this. So see, it is not copied in this or moved the file to state.txt. Here we are not confirmed that you need to overwrite this file sample.txt file to state.txt file. So if you say here S or typed here S, that is Y, then it will overwrite this file state.txt. You type here yes, then it is okay. See cat command and then write a sample .txt. See, it is not present. Earlier it is showing you the contents of this file, but now you said typed here Y, so it is no such file is showing the error. It is then state file. See, in earlier this thing, the state names are present in this, but now it is copied or moved the data to state.txt. It is overwritten on the in the file that takes the state.txt. So next is we'll see next in next session. So till then, thank you.